Do you need a logo, but you don't have the funds to be able to pay a graphic designer? You can create your own logo simply in Canva. So as we get started, here is my logo prompt. It is design a clean, modern logo for the type of business, what the business is called, and you tell it that the logo should include a simple icon or symbol that represents what your product, service, or core value is. You can go on to name it whether it's growth, trust, travel, healing, and you want easy to read typography. You want it to use your preferred colors or tones, and if you want it vibrant or professional. Now, you want it to look good if it's both in color or in black and white. You want it to be able to scale easy so that you can put it anywhere, whether it's print materials, websites, or on your social media. So I have rewritten this for my business, and I've told it what to do, and that it's a logo for a training company called Mind Your Business Incorporated, and what the logo should represent. Now, we're going to go ahead and plug this into Canva AI, but before we do, in case you don't know me, I am Michelle with Mind Your Business Incorporated in Atlanta, Georgia, and I want you to be able to travel more, work less, increase your income. I want you to elevate your impact. I want you to be seen and to have clients, and you can do this through AI. So let's go over to Canva and plug this in. So I've switched over to my Canva account, and it asks, what will you design today? It is on Canva AI, and here is my prompt box, and I'm going to paste in the prompt. Now, the one thing I did not tell it was that I wanted it to be professional. So I'm going to put here, make it professional. And let's go ahead and submit this. And as you can see, it's taking a few minutes to polish the design, and I will be back when it's done. And these are the logos that it came up with for me. Now, out of all of them, this one here, if you can see, is the best. The one on the right that has the book and the shield with the star. That to me is the best one. You can keep asking it to make changes if you would like, or you can go with whatever logo you think is best. You know, God bless you, God keep you is always my prayer. And if you don't understand about prompts, you know that is the most important thing. So please click the video above if you're on YouTube so that you can understand more and learn more about creating prompts.